Hi, welcome to Amarok Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this incredible 2018 Volkswagen Amarok. Starting from the front, you can see, being the black edition, you do get a lot of additional black features on the car. For example, that beautiful racing stripe that goes straight to the middle there. You've also got a black roof and that blacked out front grille with the black badging in the middle. It just makes the car look really tough as well. The headlights here do have those elegant projector beams in there as well as a DRL that goes straight through the middle of it. If we pan down a little bit, you will see you have got fog lights, so really good to know that you are covered in foggy conditions. The other thing I love about the front end design of this vehicle is the fact that the parking sensors are so well blended into that front grille there, so keeps it really nice and tidy on the front end there. If we move along the side here, you can see we've got those black wheel arches as well and those aftermarket wheels with the terrain gripper tires on it, so really good condition on the tires, and the wheels themselves are also in really good condition. Along this side of the car, the paintwork presents absolutely incredible condition. We've got the black side mirrors and door handles, and the indicator is actually built into the side fender there just above the V6 badging. If we open it up and have a quick look inside, the interior condition is absolutely remarkable. So the bolsters are still in excellent condition, and something that really tells me the owners looked after their car is the fact that they haven't been kicking their doors open and scuffing those doors there as well. Close that back up. Have a look down here. We have got the black side step as well. Now the black back windows, are privacy glass. However, something I would recommend is do ask us about the window tint, because I think the darkest legal tint would contrast really nicely with the white on the car as well. So once again, the dark label badging that goes straight through the middle there as well. Next wheel there, once again, wheels in excellent condition, can't actually fault it in any way. Tires also in excellent condition. On the back here, we have got those black sports bars and that black roller hard lid as well. So once again, just really ties in with that white and black look. We've also got a tow bar on the back here with the flat plug there as well. Opening this up, slide that open and drop that down. You can see we have got a genuine tub liner in here as well, which is awesome to know that your tub is going to be protected from any major dents or scratches. We've also got genuine floor mats in the back here. Closing that back up, make our way along this side of the vehicle. We have got really big tail lights on the back here, which is really good in a ute because it increases the visibility of those around you, gives them a very clear indication of when you want to stop. Fuel filler cap is on this side, being the safe side. Once again, next wheel completely unmarked and really good condition on the tire. Paintwork all the way around the vehicle, especially for a ute, is in excellent condition. I can't actually fault it, even if I'm being super picky. But if we have a look at that next wheel there, once again, really good condition on the wheel itself, but we are actually missing a center hub there, but nothing really too concerning. What we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright guys, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a V6 3-litre turbo diesel engine, and coupled with that 8-speed automatic gearbox, it does give you an absolutely incredible drive. Now the power output from this engine is 165 kilowatts with 550 newton meters of torque, so plenty of torque there if you did want to tow anything behind the car as well. Now the fuel consumption is 9 litres per 100 combined, and depending on your driving style, that could see you about 889 kilometers from a full tank. You look inside the Amarok now, just in the driver's side door here, all your power windows are automatic, so automatic up and down. Just up here you have got your central locking buttons, and on the door itself you have also got the toggle for your power mirrors. Now if you turn the dial all the way to the top, they are also heated, so really good for winter when your mirrors get foggy as well. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got headlights, so you can actually just leave it in auto and the car will decide for itself when to turn them on. Just here we've got the headlight adjuster, so you can actually change the angle of your headlight beam. On the right hand stalk, being European made, you have got your washers and wipers, and on the left hand side here you've got your cruise control as well as your indicators and high beam controls. Now on this steering wheel itself, it is a really nice leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel, well designed by Volkswagen, very comfortable to hold as well. But on the right hand side here you do get a few menu buttons which let you change what you see in the digital display in front of you. And you have also got your voice control and hands-free call settings as well. On the left hand side here, you've got your media controls for the center head unit. Now if we pan on into the middle very quickly, you will see it does also have navigation, which is awesome. But in terms of your applications, you can connect a smartphone if you wanted to, but you've also got AM and FM radio. You've got various trip settings, off-road settings, traffic conditions, hands-free calling. You've got your basic radio settings. You've got CD, USB, and AUX inputs as well. So plenty of options going on in there as well. Now having a look down here, we've got parking sensors and your rear light. You've also got your hazard buttons and the hard start buttons for your climate control. Now being dual zone climate control, the passenger can actually have a separate temperature to the driver. Just under here we've got USB and AUX inputs, as well as a bit of storage if you wanted to keep your phone there while it's plugged in. Just here we've got a cigarette lighter there. We've got a 12-volt socket on the other side, heated front seats for the passenger and driver. We've also got traction control, rear diff lock, and the off-road settings. So if you did want to do a bit of off-roading, you can actually change your off-road driving mode. Now if we have a look in the center screen again, I will just show you the reverse camera because you do get a really clear view there. You've also got the diagram for your parking sensors, which you can actually just slide to the side if you wanted the pure view of your rear view camera. Behind the shifter we've got a hard handbrake. We've also got a leather wrapped center console there and a little bit of storage next to the handbrake as well. Now if we pan around the interior, you will notice that all the leather is in fantastic condition, so credit to the previous owner because they have actually gone through plenty of effort to actually look after this vehicle. Something else I love is that the roof lining is nice and black. Really adds to the whole the dark label features. Alright, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this Volkswagen Amarok. Now a couple things I would recommend is please ask us about our glass coat, because in this kind of condition you're going to want to look after your car just as well as the previous owner has, and the glass coat will add a lifetime warranty to your paintwork and protect it against various environmental damage. It is an additional cost, however it is well worth the investment for a beautiful vehicle like this. The other thing I would recommend is ask us about our premium mechanical protection plan, because that's going to give you an extra 5 years of cover on top of your new car warranty on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. Now there's plenty more included in that plan, so please ask us because we will be more than happy to go through it with you. And if you're using our in-house finance, Julie and Mario, our business managers, are awesome at what they do. They'd be glad to give you a finance quote and work everything in there into your budget as well. So give us a call on 990-70-555. Just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews as well. We're sitting on 4.8 stars with over 950 reviews at the time of this video. So people like dealing with us. We deal with customers Australia-wide and we make the process nice and easy for you. Have a read of what people have to say, because you will find that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. Now, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.